Welcome to the Adtile Motion Store. In this tutorial, we are going to look at the editor capabilities to quickly create a new 360 video project. Video for mobile comes in a variety of different formats. The mobile device is extremely versatile, allowing the user to easily manipulate video playback. The screen can be rotated to play video as a full-screen portrait, tall and thin, or landscape, short and wide. With the touch of a finger, video can be zoomed, panned, and stretched. In addition, some applications prefer specific aspect ratios, such as square dimensions. 360 video is the ultimate extreme of these formats. It is a blend of the mobile device's versatility, enhanced graphics processing, motion sensors, and full-range video capturing. The Adtile 360 video and image templates afford the designer to effortlessly embed 360 content with other interactive graphical elements in one cohesive project in an intuitive and visually appealing way. When you enter the Motion Store, the first window you see is the Projects window. This is where you can browse all previously saved projects. To begin creating a new project, click the orange plus button in the lower right corner to bring up the New Project window. Here you can scroll up and down to select which template to use for the new project. At the top of the New Project window, there are categories to filter the templates. When you select a type in any category, only the templates that satisfy that type are shown. Each template has been designed around Adtile's patented framework of mobile sensors and carefully controlled human interface. Select 360 under Media Types to see all templates that accept 360 media content. As an example, let's create a 360 video template. Preview the template by clicking the eye icon just above the template and scan the displayed QR code. View supported browsers and devices by clicking the information icon. When ready, click the Create Project button in the lower right to load the selected template. This brings us into the Motion Store editor. The large central view shows the page flow for the template. On the right is the Editorial Tool menu, and along the top is the navigation bar. Click on the Project tab in the Editorial Tool menu and give the project a unique name. The total project size is always optimized with our built-in compression tools. The Motion Store supports all industry ad formats. For example, click the Is Expandable toggle to specify different expandable in-stream sizes. The 360 video template has 4 pages. The first page on the left is the 360 cover image. It is the first page that is loaded and instructs the user how to transition to the next page, in this case, by pressing the play button. The second page plays the 360 video, and the third page presents the brand message and the call to action button. The fourth page is a fallback ad, which is only displayed for devices that do not support the 360 video player. Note that Adtile templates are preloaded with sample content and default settings for all elements. To upload your own content and change these settings, use the available options in the Properties tab of the editorial menu for each element in the template. When you select an element, it is highlighted by a blue border with the element's name displayed above it. To see a list of all the template elements, open the Elements tab in the editorial menu. You can show all element edges and hide individual elements by clicking the eye icon to the right of the element's name. Let's get started editing the 360 video element. Select 360 video content in the Elements tab. Alternatively, you can select the second page from the left in the template flow window by clicking anywhere on the page. In the Properties tab, you can select the 360 video to upload, choose a still frame from the video for the cover image, and set the start position for the 360 video heading. Click in the Select Video box and navigate to and select the 360 video file to upload. It will take a minute or two, depending on the file size and your internet connection, to complete uploading and processing the 360 video content. Adtile's video and image processing tools will optimize for size and scalability. An error message will appear if the file does not meet the required video properties. Once the video is processed, the cover image will be set to the first still image extracted from the video. Select a different still image by using the orange box under the image in the Properties tab. Then use the slider to set the initial heading so that the most interesting portion of the video is facing forward when the video starts playing. This is all the manipulation needed for the 360 video content. Next, the remaining elements can be manipulated. The first and second pages have a brand image. When you select this element, options appear in the Properties tab to upload a new image, set the background color, scale, position, resize, and change the opacity. The third and fourth pages have 4 elements: the background image, the brand image, the brand message, and the call to action button. By manipulating content within the supplied elements, the viewable content is scaled appropriately on all screen dimensions, and animations are kept seamless with responsive sensor controls. This is an example of one of the great core features built into the Motion Store, which guarantees a unique, high-quality experience across a diverse mobile landscape. To see a preview of the project, click the Save button in the navigation bar, and then click the orange Preview button on the upper right. A preview window will appear with the link to the current project. You can use a camera to scan the QR code of the link, or copy the link and paste it into your web browser. The project will load and play in the browser immediately. To create the Adtile card asset, start by clicking the Adtile card tab in the editorial menu. Upload an in-stream image by clicking in the gray plus box and navigate to the image file. Then specify a title, description, and site. When finished, click the orange Preview Card button to immediately preview how the card will appear. Additionally, copy and paste the generated URL into any desired social feed application to test externally how the card will appear. Once you are ready to publish the project, click Publish in the navigation bar and select your desired distribution channel, or you can request a tag to any major ad server. As an example, select Publish Card and click the orange Publish button in the pop-up window that appears. Your organization will receive an email with links to the final project and the Adtile Analytics dashboard to monitor the project's performance. Let's test the Adtile 360 project by tweeting the final project on Twitter. Copy the project URL from the email provided. Open Twitter and paste the URL into a new tweet. Find the new tweet in your feed and click to open the project. The Motion Store raises the bar for excellence in human interface design and device support. We put the power in your hands to deliver engaging and unique user experiences across mobile browsers and operating systems. With this industry-unique creative cloud for building mobile experiences, you can publish Adtile creatives in a multitude of different ways, including standard web tags, MRAID tags, social media apps, chat apps, SMS, and any existing content management systems, or even directly on web pages. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial for creating an Adtile 360 video project in the Adtile Motion Store.